हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। श्री कृष्ण भगवान की जय, रुक्मिणी देवी की जय। In clip number 1, we talked that Krishna is Supreme Personality of Godhead. But when he comes to this material world, he acts perfectly like a human being. Perfect husband, perfect lover, gentleman, perfect son, perfect master. And here we will see that how he is acting like a perfect husband. So, situation has been mentioned that Krishna is sitting very comfortably in the inner chamber, Antapur, on the bed of Srimati Rukmini Devi. And this bed, along with the mattress, is very soft and white as the foam of milk. And very nice beauty of the palace is mentioned. These palaces, the palace of Srimati Rukmini Devi and other palaces, they have been made by Vishwakarma, who is heavenly engineer, and he has fully employed his talent, his skills while constructing these palaces. These palaces are made of pure white marble and very beautifully designed. The doors and gates are made of silver. The walls are made of coral. And there are so many jewels have been used that darkness is dissipated by the effulgence of these jewels. And so many flowers are there: champa, chameli, jasmine, parijat, and nice fragrance is coming from all those flowers inside the palace. And so much of guru fragrant gum, incenses are burning, that their smoke is leaking out of the window. And also moonshine, chandni, jyotsna is coming through the holes of lattice windows. So atmosphere is very pleasing, very beautiful. Ceiling is there, and many canopies are hanging along with strings, garland of pearls, and whole thing is just amazing, wonderful. Srimati Rukmini Devi has prepared her palace in such a way that it is perfectly suitable to serve her master, her husband, Shri Krishna, who is Jagat Guru, who is spiritual master of the whole world. How is that verse? Kanscha Nur Mardanam Devaki Paramanandam Shri Krishna Mande Jagat Guru. Vasudev Sutam Devam Kanscha Nur Mardanam Devaki Paramanandam Shri Krishna Mande Jagat Guru. Krishna is Jagat Guru. He is master of the whole world. He is bestower of knowledge. Starting from Lord Brahma down to an insignificant ant. So that Jagat Guru, who happens to be the husband of Srimati Rukmini Devi, he is sitting there and he is enjoying the services rendered by Srimati Rukmini Devi. Rukmini Devi is very beautiful naturally, and of course now she is looking more beautiful because she is serving the Supreme Lord. Anyone who serves the Lord becomes beautiful. Does not matter whoever it is. Prabhupada said that some of his disciples, those who came especially from hippie background, he said they were very dirty. But since they have taken to this Krishna consciousness, philosophy, lifestyle, and he said now they are shaved head, they have neck bead around their neck, tilak on their forehead, and they are happily chanting Hare Krishna. He said they appear as if they are coming from Vaikuntha, they appear Vishnu Dut, the angels of Lord Vishnu. So now they are known as Happy Haris, Happy Hare Krishna. But before, they were very dirty. So anyone who engaged in the service of the Lord becomes beautiful. Anyway, Srimati Rukmini Devi is naturally very beautiful. Her beauty is mentioned that she has many different types of earrings, effulgent earring. She also has very brilliant necklace hanging around her neck, and then her beautiful face is encircled by locks of curly hairs, and then there is a most enchanting smile on her face. It is said there that just to see Srimati Rukmini Devi is a shower of nectar. Just to see her, she appears very beautiful. Then she has a raised breast, and on her breast there is a saffron and kumkum powder. It is covered with sari, and effulgence is coming from there, reddish glow. She also has many types of bangles, bracelet. Then she also has a girdle, mekhla, a belt over her hips, which are attached with small bells. Then she also has ankle bells. And when she is serving Krishna, especially when she took that chamra fan, yak tail fan, from the hand of one of the maid servant, and she started giving broad stroke to Krishna, nice sound was being emanated. Sound from her bangles, sound from the bells attached with the belt over the waist, and ankle bell sound. And of course, she was looking very beautiful. So you just see, such a nice scenery is there. It is mentioned that in the palace of Srimati Rukmini Devi, there are hundreds and thousands of maid servants. Also there are men servants. They are all very beautiful, decorated with nice garments, very qualified. But Srimati Rukmini Devi, she took that white yak tail from the hand of one of the maid servant who was fanning Krishna. Out of love, she wanted to serve her husband personally. You may remember now, when Krishna used to go and steal butter and yogurt from the house of the neighboring gopis, Mother Yashoda was thinking, why he is doing that? Maybe my maid servants are not preparing milk, butter, yogurt, etc. in a proper way. I will personally do that. So she herself selected best of the Kapila cows, Surbi cows. She personally milked them and prepared yogurt, butter, etc. Nonetheless, Krishna was still going. So here we see that Srimati Rukmini Devi has many servants, but she personally wanted to fan Shri Krishna. So, and Krishna is enjoying her services, but in the mind of Shri Krishna, something is going on. Krishna had been scheming, making plan for a considerable time. His plan was to provoke anger in Srimati Rukmini Devi. By nature, Rukmini Devi is very sober, grave, and want to please Krishna in whatever way possible. So there is never a slight trace of anger found in her. But Krishna wants to taste the sweetness of her anger. So Krishna is planning to speak some insensitive words. So Rukmini Devi would be angry and Krishna would enjoy that. This is very amazing. In one of the lectures, Prabhupada said that sometimes Krishna feels disgusted. He said everyone goes to Krishna glorifying him. Vedeshu, Puraneshu, Hari sarvatra giyate. Hari has been glorified, highly glorified. Uttam shloka. So everyone is just singing glories of the Lord. Sometimes he does not like it. He wants to be chastised. He wants his devotee should get on his case. And those angry words spoken by the devotees appear to Krishna more than the statements of Vedic books. So Krishna had this desire that he should be chastised by Srimad Rukmini Devi. Let's see if his desire is fulfilled or not. Thank you. Hare Krishna.